Here's some bad news about the Nokia. This is the G300 5G. If you have this phone and you need to factory reset it, either you forgot your PIN, pattern, or password, or it's just acting funny and you want to be able to reset it. The bad news is you can't. Nokia does not provide any solution with the button reset like most manufacturers do. And if you watch a video, it shows that you can. They're lying, okay? Because if you do the volume down and power, it will bring up a menu, but it does not bring up a factory reset menu. It brings up a start menu. The next choice is to restart the bootloader, which restarts this screen. And then the other choice is to power the phone off, and that's it. There's three choices. You cannot factory reset your Nokia G300 5G with the buttons. So sorry for the bad news. Your phone is a brick. Your phone is trash. Sorry. If this has helped you, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.